1, 2, 3, open!
The 6.7-kilometer long road from Sindhuli Bazar to Chayabari opened for traffic movement on April 19, raising the hopes of the local people of living a much better life. Honorable Minister of Physical Planning and Works, Mr. Buddhiman Tamang, Ambassador of Japan to Nepal, His Excellency Mr. Zenji Kaminaga, Honorable Vice Chairman of National Planning Commission, Dr. Shankar Prasad Sharma, and Resident Representative of Japan International Cooperation Agency, Mr. Eitaro Mitoma, jointly opened the road.
हामीले यस ठाउँमा कुन दुःख गरेर उकालो ओरालो घुमेर हिँड्नु पर्थ्यो भने यस्तो रोड आउँदा हामीलाई ज्यादै खुसी लागेछ हामीलाई ज्यादै नै खुसी छौं सबैजना महिला पुरुष सारा हामी यहाँको जनता ज्यादै खुसी छौं राम्रो लागेछ प्रोजेक्ट विदेशी प्रोजेक्ट भनौं जापान सरकारले राम्रो गर्दियो जस्तो हामीलाई चाहिँ लागेछ
खुसी लागिरहेछ हामी अब हिँड्नु पर्थ्यो हिँड्नु नपर्ने भयो अब आगुन परागुन त चढेर हिँड्नु पाइने भयो यो बाटो अहिले पटक यसरी हिँड्यो फेरि आउँदाखेरि हिँड्नु नपरोस् हामी धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद तपाईहरुलाई
अब हामी खेतीमा र तुलफुलमा कुनै अब तरकारी खेती होस् स्कुल होस् परबर होस् जुनार खेती यसमा बढाउनेपट्टि नै जानुपर्छ हामीले चाहिँ बरु हाम्रो अब कुनै जग्गा छ भनेदेखि बाहिर गएर चाहिँ बरु रासन पानी ल्याउने खानी अब बरु घरको खेतीमा चाहिँ हामीले तुलफुलमै बढाउनुपट्टि जानुपर्छ अब हामीले जुन बजार लगाएर पनि दुई पैसा हामीले कमाउन सक्ने पर्यो हामी अब त्यसका लागि चाहिँ हामीले सारै नै राम्रो छ
The Phase 1 of Section 2 of the Sindhuli Road has been constructed with the grant assistance of the Government of Japan. The construction of Phase 1 had begun from February 2001. This newly opened segment is part of the Dhulikhel-Sindhuli-Bardibas Road linking the Kathmandu Valley with the Tarai. The road was first inaugurated by the then Prime Minister B.P. Koirala in 1960. But this could not materialize due to the political change and construction of the Tribhuvan Highway. Now that the traffic on both the existing Prithvi Highway and Tribhuvan Highway is growing alarmingly, the construction of this highway has become even more important for providing the alternate route. The concept finally took shape after 2.5 decades when the Nepal government signed an agreement with the government of Japan in July 1986. Consulting engineers Nippon Koei carried out a detailed survey and design with Japan International Cooperation Agency, JICA, as an implementing agency. The road construction finally began in 1996 in 4 phases, giving a shape to the construction of the 158-kilometer-long road. Reputed Japanese construction companies, Hazama and Taisei Corporation, are jointly involved in the construction of this road. These 2 companies have been involved in construction works in Nepal since the mid-80s. About 2,500 Nepalis got the opportunity to work every day during the construction, with most of them being locals. This segment is geographically the most difficult section of the entire road. The construction site is fragile as it is situated in the Chure and Mahabharat range. Moreover, from Chayabari to the highest point of Section 2, the road, which is 16 kilometers on alignment, sharply climbs up to 770 meters. It makes the construction more and more difficult. The road passes through slopes of 60 to 80 degrees. Lack of access to the construction site forced the labourers to do more manual work than usual. Long trolleys have been used to carry construction materials, while labourers had to hang on the slopes to do their work, which made it more difficult and slow. Despite these physical constraints, the construction companies have successfully managed to build the road by adopting a technology of building 30 hairpin curves in difficult turnings. Another important aspect of this segment is the construction of the environment-friendly earth-reinforced wall. This latest technology has been used in Japan, but it is the first time that it has been used so widely in Nepal. This type of wall could be constructed up to almost 90 degrees, balancing the load of the road and controlling the environmental degradation. These types of walls have been built up to 13.5 meters high. First, a concrete basement is built on the settled rocks, from where this wall is erected with every 50 centimeter layers of filling. These layers include geotextile in the inside, which is fixed on earth and steel net on the outside. A vegetation sheet is put in between the filled up soil and the steel net, which improves vegetation by keeping the soil intact and letting the seepage pass by. Another unique aspect of the construction is the filling up of a small valley. This 30-meter deep valley has been filled with 230,000 cubic meters of soil. Minimum required existing trees have been cut down, that too in consultation with the concerned organization. Even where the trees have been felled, local grass, seed and other saplings have been planted to maintain the vegetation. This construction has basically been undertaken with a cut and fill concept, using dug stones and soil on the road. The stones have been used in building gabion walls, wet masonry walls, and to make boulder mixed concrete. And the soil is being used to fill up geotextile, fill up the back of the gabion wall, and in slope treatment. This type of concept, which has been introduced for the first time in Nepal, proves that construction of this road has been very strong and environment friendly. Even though the construction of this road has been a challenging task, there has been no compromise on maintaining the quality. Experts from the Japanese construction companies themselves monitored the works with regular on-site inspections. The implementing agency, employer, and the consultant regularly held scheduled and unscheduled inspections of the construction sites, and the contractors too entertained the recommendations put forward by them.
Specified the reflected weight. Reflected.
With the construction of this difficult segment, we could now hope that the construction of the 158-kilometer-long Sindhuli road would take a final shape in a short period, giving a much-needed alternate connection to the capital with the districts. The road would then connect with both Arniko Highway and the East-West Highway, bringing the China-India trade route much shorter. Last but not the least, the road is set to become a lifeline of the people in Mahottari, Dhanusa, Sindhuli and Kavre-Palanchok districts. People of 7 major settlements of these districts and those of the southern belt of Ramechhap district would directly benefit from this road. The agricultural products of this area, which has a huge potential, would get a proper market. One of the main fruits, junar, is already being produced in large quantities here. After the construction of this road, the juicy taste of junar would not only be limited among the locals, but would also serve the palates of millions of Nepalis elsewhere.